In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add music to Google Slides. By the end, you'll know exactly how to place a soundtrack or sound effect into your presentation so it plays right where you want it. First, open your web browser and go to Google Slides. If you're not already signed in, sign in so you can access your files. On the home page, look for the section called Recent Presentations. This area shows the decks you've worked on lately, which makes it quick to jump back in. Click Recent Presentations, then choose the specific presentation you want to add music to and open it. Once your presentation is open, turn your attention to the toolbar at the top of the screen. You're looking for the Insert menu. It sits alongside options like File, Edit, and View. Click Insert to open the drop-down menu, then select Audio from the list. This is the feature that lets you place an audio track directly onto a slide. A selection window will open, showing audio files available from your Google Drive. If you don't see the file you're expecting, make sure the audio has been saved to your drive and that it's in a supported format, like MP3 or WAV. Now choose the audio you want to insert. Click the file once to highlight it so Slides knows which track you intend to use. After it's highlighted, click Insert. You'll see a small speaker icon appear on your slide. That icon represents your audio clip. You can drag it to a corner or keep it front and center. Where you place it is up to you. During your presentation, this is the audio that will play on that slide. If you want the audio to act as background for a single slide, this is perfect. If you need it across multiple slides, you can repeat this process on the slides where you want it to play. A couple of helpful tips as you wrap up. Your viewers need access to the audio file in Drive to hear it on shared decks, so make sure permissions aren't blocking them. It's also a good idea to test your slide in present mode to confirm the audio starts as expected and the volume feels right for your audience and environment. Finally, always use music you have the right to share, especially for public or professional presentations. That's it. Your music is added and your slide is ready to shine. Thanks for watching and happy presenting.